the volume spread analysis text indicator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts calculating and displaying labels on the price chart. This indicator uses spread and volume along with candlestick movements to try to detect potential market moves, and by simultaneously analyzing trading volume and candlestick behavior, it provides more specialized signals on the chart. The volume spread analysis text indicator, by examining the type of candlestick, whether they are bullish or bearish, the closing position of the candles, trading volume and the spread, displays 7 different signals. These 7 signals include upthrust, which, when displayed, shows us an unsuccessful attempt to break through resistance. And if the spread of a candle is large, its volume is high, and the candle is bearish while the previous candle was bullish, this signal is generated for us. The next signal is related to the no demand bar, which indicates weak demand with low volume, and when the spread is narrow and the trading volume is also low, this signal is generated for us. The next signal is related to stopping volume, which shows the halting of a downtrend with increased volume. When the trading volume is high but the candle is bearish and closes strongly, that is, it closes at a much lower price, and this indicates a pause in the downtrend and the possibility of a reversal, this signal is generated for us. The next signal indicates a support reaction with buying pressure. This occurs when the spread is wide, the volume is high, and the candle is bullish, but the low of the candle closes lower than the previous candle. In this case, this signal is generated for us. The next signal is the no supply bar, which indicates the absence of supply at the bottom of the market. This signal is generated when the spread is narrow, the volume is low, and the candle is bearish. The sixth signal is related to effort to move up, which indicates an attempt to start a bullish trend with significant volume. This signal is generated when the spread is wide, the volume is high, and there is a strong bullish candle. And the last signal is related to effort to move down, which indicates a bearish trend with heavy selling pressure. This signal is generated when the spread is wide, the volume is high, and a strong bearish candle is formed. These 7 signals, depending on the conditions, are displayed as text on the candles. Here we can see different examples. For example, on this candle, the no demand bar signal has been issued. On this candle, the effort to move up signal has appeared, and as we can see, after this candle, the price moved up, collected liquidity, and then moved back down again. And likewise, on other candles, we can also see various texts. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first section, we can set the number of candles used to calculate the spread. In the next input, we can set the number of candles used to calculate the average trading volume. And finally, we can change the text color to any color we like. We can choose the text size and set the number of candles for which we want the calculations to be performed and displayed on the chart. By default, it performs calculations and displays results for 1000 candles on the chart. Here we can thoroughly review and analyze up to 1000 individual candles. Well, my dear friends, we have now reached the absolute conclusion of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.